Well, happy 4th of July. I'm up here in Alpena, Michigan, in my hometown, and spent 4th of July with my parents and enjoyed being with them as I always do while I'm up here. And what is behind me is the Thunder Bay River. I'm on the south side of the river, and obviously behind me then is the north side. The significance of this river growing up for me was where I am on the south side is where the Protestants lived, and on the north side is where the Catholic families lived. For years and years and years here in northern Michigan, that was kind of the divide. It was a bit of a small-scale religious war where the Germans were on the south side and predominantly the Polish were on the north side. This coming Sunday, we're going to talk about one of the major concerns, one of the top 10 concerns of our world right now is religious conflict. And what we see happening around our world, we experienced it at 9/11. We see it continuing in many parts of our world. Nigeria just saw Christian villages being attacked by Muslim individuals. We see in other parts of our world where Buddhists are being martyred, other parts of our world where Muslims are being martyred. It doesn't seem to matter. What matters is that we fear across our globe that we're going to see this major outbreaking based on religion. Well, we're going to look into the Word of God. What does the Bible say about how we find peace in this and how we actually be part of the peace so that things like a silly river, the Thunder Bay River, doesn't continue to divide groups of people who should be together. And even when we don't agree on religion or we don't even have the seeds of agreement, as Protestants and Catholics would at least have the seeds of agreement of having Jesus Christ as the Son of God. And thankfully now we find brotherhood and sisterhood between those two major denominations in Christianity. But even when we don't have those seeds of agreement, how do we as followers of Jesus live in peace and live in love and embrace the fact that it's those who bring peace to our world, the peacemakers, who are really going to inherit the kingdom of heaven? It's not those who conquer. It's not those who take over. It's not those who wage war based on ideology that will actually do the most to win in our world. So don't miss it. 10:30, Christ Memorial in Holland. You can catch us online if you're up at the cottage. You can grab us on Facebook if that's more convenient. But whatever you do, be part of our worship and our study this week. Be part of our worship and our study this week, because we're going to talk about another one of those really big issues and what does God have to say about it. Don't let your friends miss it. We'll see you this weekend. Bye-bye.